Hi boys and girls. We're going to be drawing Sully, so get those pencils ready. Here we go. All right, so to begin with, we are going to have the head up here, giant body, and some big thick legs down here because he is mostly hair. All right, so to begin with, we're going to draw some eyes here, some Sully eyes, which are just like little curvy lines. I'm going to put them closer together. There we go. And then I'm going to draw this one, which has a little half circle. And then here's the circle inside that. And I'm going to leave a little light spot there and do the black around it. Then for the nose, I know you're saying, what about the other eye? Then for the nose, it's going to come up here, come down, come around like that, and it's going to have some little black spots for the nostrils. And then that overlaps this eye just a little bit, and that's why we waited on that. Then we've got some circles, big circle in the middle. We're going to leave a little light, draw the black around it. There we go. And then he's got some little eyebrows. Okay, they're big bushy eyebrows. Big bushy eyebrows. Like that. And they meet up. There we go. There, that's better. All right, then he's got some hair that comes out here, and then it comes down. And he's got some hair that comes out here that kind of comes down and around for his face. Then we've got a big old grin. Little backward C. There's his bottom lip. And then this one comes around. There we go. And there is his face with his letter C horns here. This one's a little bit smaller. There we go. Put some little detail on. And we got his face. Excellent job, maniacs. Okay, now comes his arm. So it's going to come out of his furry chin right here, like so. And then there's a line coming down here. There is his furry body and his furry big tummy belly, like so. Then he's got an arm that comes down. It's got a furry little elbow. Comes up. And then we've got kind of a letter W. And then this comes up here and meets the W, and this is the bottom of his palm. And then this comes out with a little claw. And then we've got his first finger with a little claw. And his other finger. Okay, this one's kind of bent, so it's kind of not long. It's foreshortened. Okay, here's his little claw, and his finger comes around and goes in there. And then we've got a little thing there. So he's going, hey, he's waving at you. We got some marks on here for where his fingers bend. Nice work, everybody. Okay, then we're gonna draw his back and arm and then his legs to finish up. So for his back, we're gonna come over here, which is kind of lined up with his face. And we're gonna draw a line like that. And then we're gonna draw a line like that. And then we're gonna draw some big furry things here, some little zigzaggies coming around for his elbow and then coming straight down for his arm. And then here's the palm of his hand. Comes back down for the back of his finger and around for his little pinky. And there's his claw. Okay, so for the rest of his hand, you don't see it much because it's bent over. So you just go loop, kind of like some C's, and then you just come back up. There's his elbow, and you come back up. There we go. And then of course he's got his purple spots. So we gotta draw his purple spots in here. He's got a great big purple spot up here. And some more purple spots down his arm. Purple spot down here by his paw, his wrist. And we got some purple spots on his belly. Nice work. Okay, now we're gonna draw his leg. So it's gonna start at his palm, come up, come back down where his knee is, just like that. It's gonna go up, down, and around. Very strange little shape, but that's what it looks like. All right, now we're gonna draw his paws. So his paws are gonna start here. So we're gonna start with a U, then we're gonna draw his claw inside of it, and then put the bottom on the U. Here we go, we're gonna do another one. Nice. And then we're gonna do half, another claw, and then we're gonna come back around like that, and there is his foot. And so we'll put some purpley spots on here as well. Oh, Sully, you are so handsome. Oh, I forgot a spot. Okay, this comes around like that. You know what? I shouldn't have this here, so we'll make it into a spot. Shh, don't tell anybody. And then we're gonna connect this here. Nice. All right, and then we're gonna stick his little tail back here, and that's just gonna be like a squished letter V on its side. Put a few spots on it so it matches in with the rest of him. And we've got one leg left. Oh my heavens, you're doing good. Okay, so we're gonna start back here. We're gonna draw a line coming down, over. It's gonna be kind of a little zigzaggy line till it runs into this foot. Okay, then we're gonna draw a diagonal line here. Then we're gonna draw a U. That's right, this is his foot with a little claw. We're gonna draw, there's my N. Okay, and I'm gonna draw this over here, then this claw is gonna come out, okay? And we need to connect that, there we go. And then his other claw you don't see, and this comes back, and then we're gonna come back up here, and we'll do some hairy lines coming back down there, and then we'll color this purple. And there he is, Sully. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's saying, hey kids. All right, hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.